I love my CFMOTO, and in this episode we will show you how to change brake pads or clean them.
We will need these tools: a 17 and 14 mm head sockets, 10 mm wrench, a flat screwdriver, new brake pads, sandpaper, a file, sanding disc, torque wrench, impact wrench, thread lock glue, and brake caliper guide grease. First, let's remove the wheel using an impact wrench and a 17 mm socket. The brake calipers are held in place by two 14 mm bolts. Check the brake caliper guides for non-stick movement. This is how a dirty brake pad looks, and due to the dirt, we sometimes hear strange noises. Let's compare a new brake pad to a dirty one. This brake pad is still good to use, it just needs cleaning. Pads can be cleaned with one of these tools: file, a round sanding disc, or sandpaper. Most effective is sandpaper. This is what a dirty and clean brake pad looks like. Carefully remove the caliper guide rubber boots and guides. Lube them up with a special grease. Assemble the guide and check for non-stick movement. If your brake pads are worn out, change them to new ones. New brake pads have 6.8 mm of friction material and need to be changed when they're down to 1.5 mm. Use some thread lock glue on the brake caliper bolts and torque them to 30 Nm. Place the wheel back on and you are ready to go.
I love my CFMOTO. Ride safe!